Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kumar, second BBA from KCS Kasinara College of Arts and Science. Today I will talk about human resource management. The topic name Industrial Disputes, Contents, Meaning of Industrial Dispute, Nature of Industrial Dispute, Types of Industrial Dispute, Cases of Industrial Dispute. Next we will see about meaning of industrial dispute. Industrial dispute is a breakdown in the standard mechanism of decision making which leads an individual or group to experience difficulty in selecting a mutually acceptable alternative. And next we will see about nature of industrial dispute. Industrial conflict is human conflict, a huge for higher wages and profit. Disagreement between workers and management. Conflict is not personal. Limitation of the system. Labor power. Industrial conflict is human conflict. Human beings by nature have certain desires and aims opposing other people with different desires and aims. These differences lead to conflict, huge for higher wages and profit. Another major reason for industrial conflict in the capitalist economic system is the distribution of profit among the workers and the owners. Disagreement between workers and management. Industry is regarded as a market comprising of two fundamental parties with the management and workers. The former demonstrate the buyers who purchase labor power of the latter party with the workers. Conflict is not personal. Steady drive for reduction of cost is vital for the survival of business firm in today's competitive environment. As labor constitutes major overhead in cost of production, the company attempts to minimize this by reducing wages, extend working hours, reducing incentives, etc. Limitation of the system. Main objective of any employer is to build harmonious relations with its workers and involve them in the growth of the company, but at the same time running a business requires following norms set by the legislations and the international organization along with meeting various expenses. Labor power. Power of labor is fundamentally different from any other commodity. This is because it is a function of time and therefore perishable in nature, but it cannot be separated from labor. And next we will see about types of industrial dispute. Interest dispute. Disputes that take place due to change in wages and other conditions of employment are termed as interest disputes. Rights disputes. To safeguard the workers' interest, various legislation are being enacted from time to time in case where the management fails to fulfill the norms laid by the government. Dispute arises which is termed as right disputes. Recognition disputes. Workers, usually from unions that work for the development of the workers, when a company accepts one of the unions, it is referred to as recognition of trade unions. Disputes over unfair labor practices. These are disputes related to the unfair labor practices. Unfair labor practices, also known as trade union victimization by various countries. Cases of industrial dispute. Economic factors. Economic needs are one of the fundamental human needs which, if not fulfilled, case dispute in the industry. Problems related to compensation are the economic factor. Non-economic factors. These factors are associated with the political nature. They are not directly associated with the industry. Management practices. Certain organizations practice management policies that are not favorable for the employees and are also not as per legislation and are a matter of dispute. Trade union practices, not only management practices but trade union practices also lead to industrial dispute. I hope all you understand. Thank you.